Hi guys, my name is Kyle from Digicom, and in this training video I'm going to demonstrate a basic IP Office v2 installation from start to finish. First, I'm going to start with the box itself. Within this box contains the IP Office v2 cabinet. You can go ahead and open the box from the front. We'll show some documentation regarding the cabinet itself and the cabinet in a protective wrap. The first thing you're going to do is remove the card slots in the front, depending on how many cards you actually purchase with your system. To remove the cards, all you're going to need is a screwdriver and remove them as follows. We're going to talk about 4 different cards in this video. 1, the combo card, 2, a phone 2 card, 3, the DS8, and 4, the TCM8. The Avaya product offer a lot more cards, but for this basic training video, we're only going to deal with these 4.